In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add yes/no to your Google Sheets. If you're tired of typing the words yes and no over and over, there's a much faster and cleaner way to handle it right inside Google Sheets. You don't need to build a rule, format anything, or set up a template. There's a built-in shortcut that drops a ready-made yes/no selector into any cell in seconds. Here's how it works. Click into the cell where you want the choice to appear, then simply type the @ symbol. The moment you type the @ a smart menu opens with helpful options. Scroll through that menu until you see the section for dropdowns, and choose the yes/no preset. That's it. Google Sheets instantly adds a neat, clickable selector to your cell. Once it's in place, just click the chip inside the cell to pick the value you want. Google even color codes it for you by default. Green for yes and red for no, so your choices are easy to spot at a glance. It looks polished, it's clear for anyone reading your sheet, and it keeps your data consistent, which is especially helpful when multiple people are filling things out. This is perfect for tracking approvals, task completion, attendance, or anything, where a simple affirmative or negative is all you need. Because you're using the preset, everyone gets the same options every time, so you avoid typos like yay, why, or nope, which can break filters and summaries. If you like working fast from the keyboard, you can speed this up even more. After typing the @ start typing the word drop to jump straight to the drop-down options, then press enter to insert the yes/no preset. Use the arrow keys to navigate and select. If you trigger the menu by accident, press escape to close it. And if you choose the wrong option in the cell, you can always undo with Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac. You can repeat this exact move. Type @, go to dropdowns, pick yes/no, wherever you need it in your sheet. It's the same quick process each time, and you'll have a clean, uniform look across your data without any extra setup. So to recap, click a cell, type the @ symbol, scroll to dropdowns, and pick the yes/no preset. That's all it takes to replace repetitive typing with a fast, reliable selector that looks great and works instantly. Give it a try in your next sheet and enjoy the time you save.